This video is to show you how to log into your Clever account. You're going to start by going to clever.com/in/DPSCD. Next, you're going to click Log In with Active Directory. You want to log in with your student ID followed by @thedps.org. When entering your password, you're going to use the first letter of your first name, uppercase, the first letter of your last name, lowercase, 2-digit birth month, 2-digit birth year, 01 if you are male, 02 if you are female. Once you sign in, you'll see your dashboard and you will see your virtual learning tools, Schoology and Microsoft Teams, and then your instant login applications, CP and Math.